Good morning, dear gentle viewer, and welcome to my channel. Today I invite you to share in my simple, peaceful day, a day of slow living in the heart of the city. I enjoy the rhythm of my daily chores, and I choose presence over pressure.
Big sky, sometimes I wanna feel small. In this life, I don't know nothing at all. I get sentimental when I look around, look at the view. There's something existential in the way that I'm falling for you. It's my first time doing this too. Blurry, messed up hero's journey. You and me, the last ones believing.
I usually start my morning pretty slow with no alarms or rush because I'm a stay-at-home mom. Before I get out of my bedroom in the morning, I make sure I have showered, brushed, and in a clean set of clothes. There is something special about starting your day with the windows open, letting in the fresh air and the gentle sound of nature. It's a peaceful way to create a new day.
You might wake up one day, having fought the things you don't need.
Some clothes didn't dry the previous day, so I give them another chance in today's sun. These little rituals ground me.
Spend your whole life in vain. Was it worth the pain? You're haunting. You've been dreaming all day, trying to fix what's hopeless. You're denying your pain. The past is gone and broken. Taught to feel so righteous and high, but they can be all wrong. Maybe we don't have to be so beautiful and tall.
Dishes wait for me in the sink. I don't mind. It has become a form of meditation. I focus on the sound of water, the feel of the sponge, the way each item goes from messy to clean. It's not just about cleaning, it's about caring for the space I live in.
It's hard to let go of a wasted time. Quit fighting to find all the answers you need to know. Start trying. Taught to feel so righteous and high, but they can be all wrong. Maybe we don't have to be so beautiful and tall. Maybe we're okay to not be brave. The truth lives on anyway, beyond the grave. You're gonna wake up one day, wondering why you care, questioning the wasted days and the dreams that you spare. Taught to feel so righteous and high, but they can be all wrong. Maybe
I fold clothes while listening to a podcast. I listen to How to Become Financial Free by Pius Mchiri. He talked about the 5 P's to true financial freedom, and honestly, I learned a lot. There's something satisfying in creating order. It might not seem like much, but it brings a quiet sense of peace.
Where have you been? Save me. I said it tried and plainly. The traffic makes me spacey. These highways won't embrace me like you can. Big sky, sometimes I wanna feel small. Being here makes it heavy. In this life, I don't know nothing at all. I don't know.
This water is so clean. And I'm from the market.
When I look around, look at the view. There's something existential in the way that I'm falling for you.
I want to show you guys what I got from the supermarket, the mini market that I went to. I got some cake, so I bought a cake. I bought brown bread. Brown bread can't miss. I got brown bread. I got 1 kg of sugar and X all-purpose flour. And a treat for myself, and started eating it. Yeah, so these are everything that I've got. As the day winds down, I started thinking about dinner and decided to make chapati. I love chapati, and I make sure we eat once a week in my house. Thank you for spending this slow day with me. Until next time, may you find beauty in the simple and peace in the present. Bye. See you on my next one.